Okay, I'm at the corner of Kennedy and Fanyon, and off to the south, one of the two white-tailed kites has been fluttering back and forth between various treetops. Something's got it on alert, possibly just crows, and it's trying to chase them away from their nesting area.
Okay, we're at the elementary school, and little buddy Tree Squirrel was on the ground waiting for us and tossed a peanut, and he grabbed it and took it up the tree. I've thrown a few more on the ground at the base of the tree for him. He's just busily munching away on his peanut. You didn't see him yesterday. Yeah, we're talking about you. Yeah, absolutely. See if he finds any of the peanuts that I just threw out on the ground. There's several. Yes, he did. Went to a different location, not as visible, but I'll find him. There we go. Okay, he's enjoying his second peanut. Okay, Fluffy once again has met up with us north of her daytime hangout, which is north of her feeding area. We're heading back. Well, we're at her daytime area now, continuing to her feeding area. Okie dokies. Okay, we're at the stream that runs next to Alviso Adobe Park, the part of the stream with the waterfall that's closest to the street, Potencia. Evans turns into that after you cross Calaveras. And the workers from the water department are out today. And I started to walk past and I realized, you know what? I've never had the opportunity to do this waterfall without there being the grid of the fence that keeps people out. So I'm taking this opportunity to do that. And there's a frog, I don't know if you hear it, but he's a really happy frog.
And Collie's here this morning. She's a pretty girl and looks like her adoptive family is taking good care of her. And one of two song sparrows that are back here taking advantage of the cat food. The other one is to the right and it's in the shade, so doesn't come out as well. But this little fella's nice and happy.
Okay, I'm doing a video on the waterfall for the stream that runs closest to the cross street Piedmont that goes across Calaveras. Earlier I mistakenly called it Penitencia. That's not the name of the street. It's Piedmont. Anyway, nice to be able to get a clear view without the grid of a fence. Looking at the Peacock at Whispering Hills Ranch that's in the Golden Tree. Looks like it wants to get down off the tree. And we're back at Fluffy's area, and she's exactly where she's supposed to be waiting for us. Treats her down. How'd she do?
Clean plate.
Clean plate. Well, way to go. Did you have some help?
Somebody did good.
Yeah, did you have your dad show up for breakfast? Anyway, see you tomorrow, Fluffy. We're at Flash's southern site, and we have a blue jay in the tree that's next to it. And Jay just put down more mealworms, so we don't know if he's going to come down and gather some. Here we go, finally. Okay, couple feeding, courtship feeding. Excellent.
And a little bit of corvid courtship there. He was feeding her mealworms, showing what a good provider he's going to be.
Okay, we are on Kennedy Drive, looking north. We are east of where the elementary school is, if that helps any. But anyway, we have a pair of white-tailed kites in the area that have been flying with each other and flying in different directions, so it's been rather challenging. And he is up there.
Whoops. Well, I did have a Cooper's hawk.